Okay guys, good afternoon. Again, we're here sa kabila while JC is sweeping. Wow, sipag naman. JC, you look at here. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Do you like what you're doing? Oh, nabite ka na yata ng ants.
No, it's just the fly.
Okay, so guys, yan. We're here. The usual thing to do is mag food trip. Nag-iihaw kami ngayon ng hot dogs. We have hot dogs right now. And we're grilling hot dogs. Ayan. So, fuck. Ayan. So, nag-grill kami ngayon ng hot dogs. So, sorry. Medyo nadulok. But, ayan. Ayan. So, guys, yan. Meron na kaming rice. We have some ulam here also. So, yun. Nagana muna kami. Magdi-dinner kami. So, yun. Again, kung sana kayo magsawa na lagi kong binablog itong tambayan namin because relaxing talaga dito. And we can do anything pagdating sa mga food. Nagluluto kami. Okay, sige guys. Later na lang.